Good evening, guys. Marlon Hamilton here again. But today, what I'm going to be doing, I'm going to be, looking at the signals that I've been sending out, and we started on the 2nd of the 1st, 2018, and and basically, I haven't had a chance to look at it. This is the first time I'm looking at it since I've sent these signals out because I was so busy taking trades and doing other things. So, but now, so you're seeing it the first time as I'm seeing it, and if you've been putting on the trades, then you would have known whether or not you're in profit or not. So let's look and see. Okay, so the first one you've got the USD SEC. Okay. Now with the USD SEC, right, went in at 8.19. So if we look at this, we would have gotten at 8.19. So we'd have got in from there. Okay. Now, and we got in from this candle over here from way back then. So would have been in profits, right? Roughly 48 pips. However, what would have happened? Would have been probably break even on this trade. Yeah, so this trade here would have been probably break even. Okay. Right, guys, so as I said, I'm doing the same thing. Yeah. So we're looking at the result there, and the result there, I would say, break even. So basically, I haven't lost anything. Okay. The next trade now, guys, you should have lost any money on this trade then. Okay. Should have lost any money on this trade because if you put your right proper stop loss and everything on the trade. Okay. Okay, let's look at another trade that we look at now. These were not triggered. But let's look at the GBP Aussie. Okay. Okay, guys, now the GBP Aussie would have been a loss because we enter at this level here. The market breakdown and stop us out, would then move back in our direction. And sometimes, like for this trade here, we can always get back into the market. Okay, but I'll be waiting for some sort of consolidation here or some sort of signal. Even though I've got the signal here, that's huge engulfing here. So basically engulfing the body of this candle, but but what I'm going to do is I still want to say because this candle is too big for me to go back into this trade anyway. Okay, so definitely I'm going to say this trade was a loss. Okay, so the trade monitor, it's a loss. Okay. Okay. Right, guys, now the next one we've got here, we've got the New Zealand CAD. Wow, amazing. This one is a winner. Okay, guys, this one is definitely a winner. So, you've got to be happy. Okay, so we won on this trade. Okay, definitely won on this trade. Guys, for this one as well, we have won on the Aussie CAD as well. Yeah. Remember, I did say to you, be careful. Yeah, but we have won on this one as well. So we won on this one. Okay. Okay, guys, you're seeing exactly that. This we're just following some processes here, and things are working out. Okay, now we're gonna look at the Euro Swiss franc. Okay, alright, guys, this one was not triggered. I canceled this trade. Okay, so I canceled this trade when I saw because this was when I entered for this one. So I got this engulfing and got something in the reversal direction, so this trade was cancelled. Okay, now the next one we're looking at is USD CAD. Now this one here, guys, I got in market went up, and basically, this one was, I got out with a little bit of pips, but nothing to speak much about. So this trade was triggered and end up in break, I would say break even, because I moved my stop loss once I got up to this point level, because I know from here, I know that, sometimes we get, we get some problems here. So I moved this up to break even. Okay, so this one was a break even trade. Okay, so guys, so this was a break even trade, yeah. Okay, and then let's look at the other one now. Okay, so the Euro Aussie, so let's find Euro Aussie now and have a look at Euro Aussie. Okay guys, now this Euro Aussie trade, actually I trigger me in there. Now then it came, took my stop loss out, and then look, right back in my favor. So basically, even though it was a good trade, I had lost on this trade. But you can see how lovely this trade was, but one of those things, so this trade, yeah, so this trade was a loss, yeah. So I lost on this trade, yeah. So trade monitor, okay, so I lost on that trade. But guys, can you see how nice this trade was? Oh my god, man, if I just, but at the end of the day, because it was still triggering me, because, that was where I entered on this one, on this zone. Okay, the next one we're now going to look at, we're going to look at the Aussie SGD. So the next one now we're looking at is the Aussie SGD sell. So this was a signal there. Okay, for this one though, I'd cancel this one. This one wasn't triggered, because when I I put my entry below this point here, so this one wasn't triggered. But because and also what I've done, I've cancelled it because I was getting an opposing signal with this pin bar. Okay, guys, so this trade wasn't triggered. I didn't get into this one. Okay, so but I'd cancel this one. So for those people who probably still have that trade open, please do cancel it. Okay, the next one now we're looking at is the EuroCAD. Let's find the EuroCAD. But guys, I'm pausing while I get this just to save on the time on the video, because it takes a long time to sort of, if the video is too long, it takes a long time to sort of format it and so on. So I'll be pausing while I go to and fro. Okay, well guys, this one was amazing. This one went to there. Look at that move, took me out at this trade. I got, and what I should have done, I had so much to do, I didn't get a chance to come back to my chart. And basically I got in, and if I sort of see that the market had moved, because this was just over a 3-day period, but I'd seen then, I could have actually moved, move my stop, my target a bit higher once I got this day, move this up to, move my, but it just sort of hit me right in there for that one. So that one was a solid winner, so really pleased with that one. Right guys, on the GBP CAD trade, okay, I'm still in this trade, entered there. Okay guys, this is my entry, that's my stop loss. I'm just going to move this now to break even. Okay, so I've moved that to break even, so no matter what, there won't be any losses there. Okay, so that one trade is still running, so I'll leave that one, let one look around running. Okay, the next one I'm looking at, so this one, minimum break, well, minimum, yeah, I'm going to put this down as a winner. Okay, so let's put this trade as a winner, because I will get some profit or something from this. I just want to sort of do with you guys the sort of win rate so far since we have started this year. See, you know, where we're at this point. Okay. This one now, which is the New Zealand USD. Okay, let's find that one. Okay guys, this trade I was expecting, because I had this, you know, looking like a pin bar here. Okay, got triggered into the trade, got stopped out there. Okay, so, you know, I was expecting it to pull back to this zone here and then sort of fly off, but that didn't happen. So what I'm looking for then is you know, so this one was a loss. Okay guys, so based on the calculations so far, there's 4 winners, 3 losers. So, you know, and based on the fact that we are 2 to 1 on all these trades, then apart from this last one here that is still open, yeah, then, you know, we should be in profit. And that's the beauty of what we're doing here. Okay guys, now if you want to know more and learn how to put these trades on without, you know, taking my signals and doing your own thing, because, you know, for me personally, I would prefer to be, you know, teaching a man how to fish rather than giving a man a fish. And that's what we do when, you know, we give you signals. So if you want to learn more about how I go about doing things, then contact me by Facebook, via my website. Follow the link, and, you know, you can get access to all the stuff I'm doing. God bless and happy trading.